Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to show you a site that will help you to start your own way to make money online with affiliate marketing. It's basically affiliate marketing for beginners and make money online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I'll come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. The site that you can use and earn up to $105 a day. Another site to help you to make money online, and it's the best one, and it's very similar site to others, and it's made by next affiliate programs. It's very similar to the previous site. It's called to check out call. Easy and simple site to use to start earning money online. It obviously gives you different types of products to promote. It's more so digital products. The digital space is amazing, and that's what I really like about this site. There is so many people out there, they are looking to expand their business. People buying different types of digital products to expand their business and to run their businesses to keep stage. They need some form of digital products. So there is so much potential to earn money online here. And like I said, it's probably one of the better performing affiliate programs, and they are not cheap as well. It's easy and simple to earn money here and to make really good money. You don't need to make a lot of sales. It's worldwide, and they are the number one network for digital goods. You can definitely use this site to earn money online. It's obviously made my list of the best affiliate programs. So come here and check it out to start earning money online. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe right now, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.